I am Chandan Gautam. Here I wanted to straightway ask those people who very proudly say they are from the mainstream Indians or they are from the mainland of India, that how long you people are going to discriminate the people from Northeast? How long you people are going to spread hatred against the people of Northeast because of their facial structure? Why I am saying this? Because very recently one Paras Singh, who is a YouTuber having almost around 4 lakhs of subscriber and running one gaming YouTube channel, has literally insulted the people of Arunachal Pradesh, the people of Northeast. Literally he has insulted the honorable MLA of Arunachal Pradesh, Mr. Neong Iring. On this context, why I am saying this? Because Mr. Iring has very strictly opposed about the relaunching of PUBG, the very popular gaming channel, which is going to be relaunched in India. Most of the people knows that, and he has written letter to the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, and he has tweeted that, and he has requested that not to relaunch this game, and which will be a threat to India, which will be a threat to the security of India. Anyhow, but this guy, this idiot, what I am saying, why I am saying this, yes, idiot, Paras, has put one video in his channel and he has insulted Mr. MLA as well as the people of Arunachal Pradesh by showing the photo, the picture of Mr. Iring, and he is saying, अरे भाई इनका हुलिया देखो, ये तो चाइनीज दिखता है, ये किसी एंगल से इंडियन दिखता है क्या? He has also pointed out to one photograph where Mr. Iring was with few ladies in Arunachali ethnic wears, and also he said कि ये लोग तो चाइनीज दिखते हैं. Even he has shown the Indian map to the people in his channel, and he was searching for Arunachal Pradesh and was saying, अरे भाई अरुणाचल प्रदेश कहाँ है? अरे ये तो चाइना के बॉर्डर में, तो चाइना में ही है, हमें तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. Even he was not able to, he didn't want to spell Mr. Iring's name because it was not, seems like to be an Indian name. So I just wanted to say to the people, this kind of people like this idiot Paras, that how long you are going to do this? Till this 21st of century, how long this is going to happen? Is this going to stop? Because this is not the one first incidents that we have come across. We have come across so many incidents like this. Even last year, during the period of Corona also, many places, the people from Northeast has been harassed because of the facial structures, like because of the Mongolian facial structure, saying that they are spreading Corona, they are spreading COVID. So I urge the government that this guy need to be punished. He should be thrown behind the bars, and which will give a lesson to the people who are behaving like this, who are spreading this type of hatreds among the entire country regarding the people of Northeast, and saying Chinkies and Chinese, and always discriminating, and always putting a laughter in front of the people of Northeast because of their Mongolian faces. So I request government, I request to the concerned departments to throw this guy to the jail. Thank you.